What's up, everyone? If you're new here, this is the Yoda Overland channel, and I am Tanner. We talk a lot about overlanding camping gear, and I kind of have a lot of trips planned here that I'll be able to bring you guys along and give you a little taste of some of the adventures and overlanding things that we do here. So if that's something you're interested in all, please subscribe and maybe leave a comment on something you might be interested in learning more about. But today I want to talk to you about one of my all-time favorite lights, specifically for camping and overlanding and being outside. So the light I want to talk about is the Devos LightRanger. This bad boy packs quite the punch and is honestly the biggest game changer when you're out camping or overlanding. So the LightRanger also comes with this tripod telescoping pole that goes up to 9 feet. For sake of the video here in the office, I took it off, but we're gonna go outside here in a minute and show you what it looks like. So if you've never heard about Devos before, they are a local company here in Utah, and they make these incredible lights. The great thing about this is that it is rechargeable, and it has 1200 lumens, and it just puts out an enormous amount of light. So because it's on that 9-foot pole, once you're outside, it's almost like bringing a street light with you wherever you're going. The reason why this light is so useful for me and why it's now become a must-have is majority of the time when I'm going on a camping or overlanding trip, I will leave on a Thursday or a Friday after work. And we'll drive 3, 4, 5 plus hours to get to our campsite. So by the time we get there, it's pitch black, and it's not really fun setting up camp when you're holding like a little flashlight or something, and just kind of gets more difficult. And so by having this, you all of a sudden have your light on a 9-foot pole up high, you're completely hands-free, and honestly, you're able to see as good as daylight. And it just makes setting up camp in the middle of the night a breeze. So if you've ever had that issue, you should probably get one of these. It puts out so much light that 5+ people can use this light rather than everyone having little flashlights or headlights or something. So let me bring this in close. Here's that. Then if you hold down, it'll give you your charge status. So I'm at full right here. That's your button. And so then on the pole, you have the little hole right here. So the light comes on here and just pushes on. But then the pole telescopes up with these guys. But enough about this indoors. Let's get outside and show you what it's really capable of. So let me show you this while we're on a camping trip. So we got into camp here super late at night. It was freezing cold, pitch black, and we just wanted to make quick work of getting camp set up so we could go to bed because we were exhausted from driving. And so you can see the Devos LightRanger here putting out its 1200 lumens on a 9-foot pole and just has an enormous amount of light output, making it really easy for us to see what we need to do to get camp set up. And the awesome thing about these is that their build quality is absolutely incredible. They use a USB-C to charge and can charge from 0 to 60 in an hour and all the way to 100 in 3.5 hours. They also have some really awesome accessories for them, like their solar panels to charge during the day, or their light filters, which I can give you a view of here. All right, well, that is it. Again, this is the Devos LightRanger. Incredible light. I could not recommend it enough. So the guys at Devos are generous enough to offer us a discount code. So I will leave a link below with that discount code if you want to go pick one of these up. Honestly, if you're into camping, overlanding, this is the greatest thing ever. I absolutely love this light. If you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up to boost us in the algorithm and help us get found. But yeah, subscribe. Appreciate you staying tuned, and we'll see you next time.